Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So we are going to be doing our zero-based budget for March 2019. For anybody that's new to my channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name's Shakema. I'm very glad that you stopped by our channel. So we're going to be sharing with you the numbers, the real numbers. We do not skew numbers. We do not make up numbers. This is exactly what we make during the month or what comes in for child support or any other type of income that we have rolling in during the month of March. So I do the Dave Ramsey plan, zero-based budgeting, and I use this personal budget worksheet that I found online. I will leave it linked in the description box below if anyone is interested in using it. Also, one of my subscribers told me how to unlock the sheet so that we can manipulate some of these categories. Like anything in blue, it's locked or protected, but if you go into file and then it'll say the name of the sheet, it'll be personal budget sheet week 1, week 2 or whatever, and it'll say unprotect. If you click unprotect, you can actually change some of these things in blue. So I could change this to Shakema, personal budget sheet or whatever I want it to now because I've unlocked it. So let's go down. So for the month of March, now I don't have any big bonuses or anything coming in the month of March. It's just a regular pay month. So my paycheck is $2,952.81. I already know that. And with that being said, I am going to budget. So my income sources, I have my payroll deposit, kids deposits. My kids do receive child support, YouTube payments or Google AdSense, any travel reimbursements, unexpected gifts, monies, blessings, funds transfer. Now I am taking a business trip this month and I do now drive some for work. So I do get some gas reimbursements, not a lot. I don't get reimbursement from my home to my work destination for that day. But if I have to leave my work destination for that day and go to another place, then I will get reimbursed for that. Now, for my expenses, and you guys chime in, somebody let me know. So last year, I didn't pay enough into my escrow, but my mortgage payment went down. Even though, because I'm going to pay, it's like $100 and some that I was short. So I'm just going to pay that in the regular mortgage payment and not even worry about it. But the payment is now gone down to $901 and some change. But I'm just going to keep this $909.95 and go ahead and the $8 and whatever overage, I'm going to put that towards the escrow. So I'm going to pay the $901 mortgage payment because my payment went down, but I'm going to take the extra $8 and whatever and put it towards the escrow payment, which would make this payment still $909.95. Let me know if you guys do any of that. Right now I can't pay an extra mortgage payment, but I can work on doing that. My electric bill or my heating is $127.62. That was up this month, but it has been cold. My water bill is $65.77. That was up a little bit as well. I still have that leaky toilet, and sometimes if I don't catch it, it will get hung and it'll run. For some reason, and I can't figure out why, my son and I both don't know why, but our telephone bill went down. So my payment of the phone bill is $92.73, and then my internet is $70.99. Now I think my internet is I think it's probably $78 because I had a charge, but I couldn't remember at the time when I was doing this, so I just left it at $70.99 because I didn't pay it on time last month, so I know I have a little bit of a charge. Moving down to my regular payments. For my student loan payment, my normal payment is $156.10, but this month I'm able to put $180.75. And then I'm going to do a huge chunk payment at the end of April because I'll get my other supplement at the end of April. I don't have any more Amazon Prime because mine is paid for the year. PureFlix. How did I forget PureFlix, y'all? Oh, man. Okay. $7.99 is PureFlix. What darn. Okay. Then my Health Wage Gym is $3.25. My Taekwondo is... My Health Wage Gym is $25. Excuse me. My Taekwondo is $325. And my CCRDU, which is my online Bible school, is $50. If there's anybody that's interested in doing online Bible classes, I have left a link to CCRDU in the description box. It'll just be a part of my regular uploads, and you're welcome to look on the site, message the dean, anything like that. For food expense, I got $260 for groceries. I'm going to look at doing $55 a week and have a little bit left over for Super Doubles, because they are having a Super Doubles event March 3rd through the 5th. So I'm going to do, so $55 a week is $210, which will leave $50 for Super Doubles. So we're going to see if I'm able to do that. Moving down further, personal care, I don't have anything allocated. Nothing for hair, nothing for clothes, nothing for doctors. Miscellaneous kids or house. Now for recreation and travel, I had planned in $20 because the kids asked me to go see a movie. So I was going to bless them and take them to go see the Train Your Dragon 3. How to Train Your Dragon number 3. Like, training it 1 and 2 wasn't quite enough, so we need to go train it one more time. Evidently, it wasn't trained during 1 and 2, but whatever. Gracie will get $60 for her food. Now, it says food and bath. She has not been loving the bath, so what I'm going to do is just get her food, and then I'm also going to get her nails trimmed because she won't let them trim them. I have to take her to the vet to do it, and because they have grown really long, and she actually busted a nail. And I do clip them at home. However, you know, they still grow pretty long. So I'm going to plan for food, which of course I'm paying half, and Shamika pays half. For Acro, we get a really big bag. And then the dogs get organic dog food, so they're organic. No Walgreens couponing. Then going down where I had to make some adjustments. So for my gas, I had been doing $120. Now I'm doing $200. That bumps me up $80. But my reimbursement for my gas travel for February is $70. So that's going to kind of level itself out with whatever I do as far as turning in for gas reimbursement will make up the difference. But if I turn in my sheet on the last day of the month or the first day of the new month, I don't get paid until the middle of the month. So I have to kind of account for it here. And then whatever I get paid, I will just put that into my gas fund. Because I do have to drive a little bit of a ways. I've already gone ahead and put in $45 for an oil change. I like to get my oil change regularly. So I put in $45 for that. I may not need it, but I just put it in just in case. And then moving down for the last things is my tithe and offering is $500. My blow money is $20. So I have overspent by $7.99 because I did not account for my PureFlix, and I don't remember why I didn't do that. So I'm just going to go back up, and I'm just going to go ahead and take it from the student loan because it's no problem to take it from there. And I'm just going to make that $172.76, which should bring me back to a zero-based budget. So let me scroll down to see if that is a true statement or not. Yes, that takes me back to a zero-based budget. Doesn't matter if I pay the 172 or the 156, I'm still paying a little bit over what I normally would. And then I always have a goal that whatever I make from YouTube AdSense goes towards my student loan, and any extra monies that come in will go towards my student loan. Of course, I'm taking a business trip this month, so I will get meals reimbursed. I'm driving a company car this time, so I won't have to do gas. But if I do have to put gas, I will put gas in the car, and they'll reimburse the gas I put in the car. So I'll just take that out of my gas fund, and I'll get that reimbursed back with no problem. So it's okay because I'll be able to put a little bit more here once I get my Google AdSense. But that, of course, is not till the end of the month. So anyway, that is our quick March budget. There's not a lot happening this month. There's no bells, no whistles. But we are at zero base, and I feel good about that. So I have allocated for $2,952.81, and all of the bills will be paid. Anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. I'm going to give you a debt update in the next video that you're going to see from me. That'll come out on Sunday as like our recap for the week. So you'll see a debt update on Sunday and how we're doing. We are so close, you guys. My deadline to be debt-free is June 2019. And I am almost positive that I will make that deadline, because I am getting down to the wire on this student loan, and I'm being gazelle intense, just like Dave says. So anywho, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We hope it was helpful for you. Leave us a comment below and let us know how you're doing on your Dave Ramsey debt-free journey. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.